Flood warning in effect from this evening to Saturday afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Clinch River near Richlands. When? From this evening to Saturday afternoon. Impacts. At 10.0 feet, water begins to flood baseball field near water treatment plant. Additional details. At 7:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday, the stage was 9.2 feet and rising. Bankfull stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 10.5 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage late tonight. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 10.6 feet on April 16, 2018. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood and end.